and today I'm going to show you the best remote to control your Xiaomi TV box. It could be an S-series TV box, or the Mi Stick. If your remote broke, or isn't working, if a button stopped working, or even if the batteries died and you want to watch something, I'm going to show you the best app to control your TV box so you can use it again. No need to buy another remote or replace your batteries, right? It's a really great app, and I'm going to show you step by step how to use it. Just watch the video from start to finish. And also, go ahead and subscribe to the channel to help us reach our goal of 30,000 subscribers. And leave a like to support the channel. It really helps the channel grow, guys. So, without further delay, let me show you which app it is, okay? If your remote broke, like I mentioned, if the batteries died or a button stopped working, this is going to save your life. And you'll be able to use your TV Box S again, like in my case here. It also works with the Mi Stick. And I'll show you the step-by-step process. First, guys, to use this remote, you need to be logged into the same Wi-Fi network as your TV box. And that same Wi-Fi network needs to be connected to your phone as well, see? You need to make sure your phone is connected to the same Wi-Fi network. Once that's done, with the network connected, you're going to open up the Play Store. In the Play Store, you're going to search for the app. Alright guys, you're going to search for it now. Let me zoom in here for you. Alright everyone, I found the app here, so I'm going to install it, okay? I'll also leave it in the first pinned comment, so you don't end up downloading the wrong app. In the first pinned comment, you'll find this app as well. Now, just wait for the installation to finish, okay? Alright, everyone, the app is installed. I'm going to tap open here on my phone. Here, it detected that there's already a TV nearby. I'm going to tap here, okay? As you can see, right? It's going to show up. I'm going to grant the device permissions here, and now it's already detected the Xiaomi TV box on the same network that my phone is connected to. I'm going to tap on the Xiaomi TV box here, and a code will show up on the TV. You'll need to enter that code. That code appears automatically, okay? As soon as you tap here on your phone, the code will pop up for you, and you'll type that code into your phone. I'm going to enter it here, look. Alright everyone, once that's done, you're going to tap pair. Alright everyone, my phone is now paired with my TV box, and here it has this option, look, which is the remote. I'm going to tap on the remote option, and now I can already control my TV box really smoothly. Sometimes it's even better than the regular remote, right? As you can see, I can control it, select things, and even turn up the volume. I have access to a bunch of features here in this app. And I can also use voice search here, guys. You just need to click here on this button, right? Which is the voice search button. And then you tap here, look, on give permission. And I'll tap here again, open Play Store. As you can see, it's already working. It's opened the Play Store. It's a really useful app, really good for you, right? Like I said, if you lost your remote, the batteries died, your remote broke, or it got unpaired and just won't pair again for some reason, this is the best remote you can download for the Xiaomi TV box. Also, remember that it works for the Mi Stick too, okay? You can use it. It's a really useful app, like I said, but you need to be connected to the network, right? And you need to be on the same network to be able to use this app. Also, guys, down below in the description, I'll leave a purchase link for the TV box. So if you want to get one of these second generation Xiaomi TV boxes, I'll leave the link in the description, and by buying through it, you also help support the channel. So guys, that's what I wanted to show you today in this video, okay? If you're not subscribed yet, go ahead and subscribe to the channel. Turn on the notification bell. It really helps the channel a lot. Also, share this video with your friends and leave a comment below letting me know if it worked for you or not, okay? I want to know if it worked for you or not. So that's what I wanted to show you in this video, alright? On the end screen, guys, I'll leave 2 videos for you related to this topic. Click on one of them, and I'll see you in the next video. Thanks, see you next time, I'm out.